Welcome to Module 2.3, where we'll start looking at trading pairs on Binance. Understanding how trading pairs work is another crucial part of making informed trades on the platform. Let's get started. A trading pair consists of two currencies that can be exchanged for each other on a trading platform like Binance. For example, in the Bitcoin and USDT trading pair, BTC-USDT, BTC is the base currency, and USDT is the quote currency. It shows how much of the quote currency is needed to purchase 1 unit of the base currency. Binance offers a wide variety of trading pairs categorized mainly into 3 types. Fiat to crypto pairs a cryptocurrency with a fiat currency, like BTC-USD. Crypto to crypto involves 2 cryptocurrencies, like ETH-BTC. Stablecoins to crypto pairs a cryptocurrency with a stablecoin, such as BTC-USDT. Trading pairs are important because they give you insight into the value of cryptocurrencies relative to each other, or to fiat currency. They also expand your trading opportunities by allowing you to switch easily between different cryptocurrencies or move into stablecoins during market volatility. When selecting a trading pair, consider liquidity. More popular pairs have higher liquidity, making trades faster and less likely to impact the market price. Volatility. Some pairs might be more volatile than others, offering higher profit potential but also greater risk. Strategy. Your trading strategy might be more suited to certain pairs, depending on whether you're looking to trade short-term fluctuations or invest long-term. The price of trading pairs can be influenced by a variety of factors, including market demand, news, and overall economic conditions. Keeping an eye on these can help you make more informed decisions. Before placing a trade, always check the current market price and order book for your chosen pair. Use the technical analysis tools available to analyze price movements. We have some great tools over at canoods.com. Start with small trades to understand how different pairs behave. Now that you understand how trading pairs work, you're one step closer to making informed trades. In our next module, we'll explore how to execute market and limit orders on Binance. Happy trading!